Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to make this amazing chicken lasagna pockets. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. So I went ahead already and seasoned my chicken. I went ahead already and do most of the things that I'm supposed to do, and then last minute I decided to just make a complete video for you guys. So I seasoned my chicken with some of my favorite powdered seasoning, add some vegetable oil to my pot, allow it to hot, and then I'm gonna go in and add the chicken breast. Now what you want to do, you want to make sure that you cook the chicken breast nicely on one side, then you flip it over on the other side. You have the option however to use ground beef if you want, or you can just go ahead and use the chicken breast. So once my chicken breast is nice to cook on one side, I will flip it over on the other side. I also went ahead already and just cooked the lasagna shell. I don't know what you call it in your country. And I also went ahead already and make up the white sauce that I'm going to add to the lasagna. Now, I also make sure that I chop up the chicken breast once it's nicely cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add the white sauce to the lasagna shell that is nicely cooked, and then I'm going to add some white sauce on top. I will also add the chicken breast like I said earlier, and also some mozzarella cheese. Fold it nicely or fold it tightly, and then I'm just going to do the rest of the shell until it is nice and complete. Now what I decided to do last minute, I decided to change the container that I was going to bake it in because I think it was a little bit too small. So again, I cook my lasagna shell, I add some of the white sauce, I went in and add some of the chicken, and then I add the cheese, and I'm adding mozzarella cheese, and I fold it nicely, tightly, and then I add it to the baking tray. Now, I also preheat my oven at 250 degrees. And let me say this, I know most of you have been wondering where I'm at, why I haven't been posting on YouTube, but you know, I had to take a little break for my mental health, and then I'm back here with you guys ready to give you some amazing recipes. So once we went ahead already and do up all of the pockets, now it's time to go ahead and add the remainder of the white sauce. And yes, I will leave a link down in the description box for the white sauce that you guys can go ahead and try. Very easy, very simple, and yes, you can make it at home for your families, for your friends. If you're having a party, you can go ahead and add it also. And just to know, you know, we want to be very transparent when we are cooking. So I have some more chicken breast left over, and I decided to just add it on top. No, I did not have any more cheese, so the remainder that I had, a small amount of cheese that I had, I'm just gonna have leave over from earlier. I'm just gonna add it on top. However, you can add any amount of cheese that you wish to add. I just underestimate how much pockets I would get from this, all of these ingredients that I'm using. You guys can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Let me know if you have ever give this one a try. Let me know if you would use chicken or if you would use the minced beef. I want to hear from you. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a piece of foil paper on top, pop it in the oven for 25 minutes, and then I'm just going to remove it after 25 minutes, give it an extra 10 minutes, and just allow it to do its thing, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So this is it. And yes, I like mine with a little brown on top. So I'm going to add some parsley, and then I'm going to slice into it. And yes, you want to make sure that you slice into it while it's hot, because you want all of that cheesiness. You want all of that flavor. You just want everything. If you're gonna serve kids though, you want to ensure that you allow it to cool down first before you serve the kids. But this was just amazing, very delicious. My family enjoy, and I'm sure your family will enjoy too. So make sure that you give this one a try. Again guys, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. We are on our way to 20,000 subscribers, and I can't wait to get there because something good is gonna happen. All right, so with that said, make sure that you share with your families and your friends and just tell everybody about Callie J's Kitchen. And I can't wait to see you guys on Wednesday because I have another amazing recipe that, yes, I want to share with you because I want you to try it at home.